greetings to everybody. Any side way you dey watch we from, one for say hello and welcome to the new month of August. As today, now the 1st of August 2023. And my name Nasil Akem Takabo. We don't come back on this morning and we want to welcome everybody on board, and also we encourage you to share the live to friends and family. Now we all come on board as today now the 1st of August, and the August don't start with rain. As you see, we come for observe the Samba gutter them we will get now the western parts of Freetown. Presently with the PWD, but we come up by the works area, and all inside we the see so when the rains may they come heavily additional, all here may get plenty of water. It's because the rains don't see small, I make they get the opportunity for worker who say with the workers. So we want to turn the camera, go down small. Now you see how this up part of the Samba gutter talek, and we go turn and go up back small. Now you see this is not just a call, it's not just a concern. We all know say August, the month we normally come with plenty rains, and it just starts today. See the sea, all here a south side water, me the plenty in a south side water the pass. We go for move around, but we just say that we can start here and see how we are talek. We go for move as we go down small. We will go to the main PWD outside, and now we see how this have talek, but as you have the sea, now you scream. Now so yeah day presently. They see all outside the water, they stop. See this shop or a business place. See all here, this are signs of outside the water is stop. Okay? How the money bro? How you sleep? Would they take small they go outside? If you just they join we, welcome on board us today. Now the very first day inside the month of August, and the August starts with rain this morning. So Sierra Network Salon thought and fit say for come at the streets, and now we see and now una self see how things talek this Tuesday morning, the first day of August. Well, presently we don't come outside. We dey Patemba Road. PWD exist. Susef the sea. Cars then they go to and flow as the rains just don't see small. This other area, an area where, as you have the seafront, you scream right now. Now, so, you have talek, as you see, this bike, they make saful for ne able access a way through all here save the cinnamon now. The rain just cut. So this like concern, right? This like call to authorities with concern for them no say we don't reach inside the month of August and the rain just comes this morning and don't see small, but now they remains this way left, and so we call on authorities concerned for let them know say everybody for be vigilant and for let everybody do things the right way. So they see this na Samba Gota. So they see we go for Falaram, we go for follow by Dugan Street and we go for follow the Samba Gota and see the other end how they serve Talek. So we go small. You see the sea, all inside. You see the remains where the rain, the water all way pass here, way left. The rain not totally cut it, but they come in that kind heavy way where they come this morning. They come in that kind everywhere. So they see up the hills, don't they clear small. So Sarah Network Salon sort of fit say, for now we come and show you how the street Talek. Now PWD this one. With the PWD Pandeba Road. As I say, we will try for make a way. We will make a way over the other end and see how they serve Talek, because the Samba Gota them na Gota the way don't say na salon, and we the city depends on so much for make sure say the water the way they come up the hill reach down outside for reach. We will cross at any time. We will try for cross with the patients for now we get a clear way and make a way over the other end. But this is not just a call to authorities concerned. Let them know say August don't come and the rain just tastes sweet this morning and at this left. So they see school picking itself for even access the way Ubayanda for go take the back examination. Not really easy. People they clean. They see that gentle man Ubayanda. They clean the shop. They pull out the water. We flop inside. That's what's in Talek. Today, the very first day inside the month of August. Very first day inside the month of August. And the rain no come that much for say, it no come that much and it no come that long for ne then kind of left behind. For now, people shops them get water inside. So you see that gentleman there, they bail water and they throw inside the gutter. We go cross now. We can cross. Now we see the other end. How they serve Talek this morning. We don't come at the other end, and self see how the water they run. This na just rain wey come something like 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now in left this kind of water, and I in left all this place like this. And we all know say August now a month where he come with plenty rains. So we dey call authorities we concern for draw their attention, say we need for pay attention to the drainage they have to make sure say this year we not go get flooding wey go cause disaster them like before. We dey move go, we dey move go down a bit. We dey move go down a bit, and now we see the other end of the Samba gutter, how this safe turn lake. If you just join me on name na Sila Kem Takabo, and this na Sierra Network Salon. We decide for Canada streets of Freetown, the western part, as we dey down that street right now. We did on that street, we decide for come and can't see how the gutters them they flow because the rain just end, and August now a month where we know say he normally come with heavy rains, and today na the very first day of August, and we decide for come at the streets and see how things they go. We dey take a small. So you don't see? The water where they come out up that other end, they pass through here, but see no more now the dirty went left, and also you see this not just rain way not even past 1 hour. We just come this morning. Now in left this kind water and this kind dirty. So like now some of them here can make if the rain come plenty, the rain come plenty one. Flooding they happen because most of the gutters them where the water for pass freely, not clean, get plenty dirty inside. That can cause flooding. And I go turn the camera down. As you see, this na Donda Street na do this so presently. See this Samba gutter now. See the rain we come na in left this kind of water. The rain we come na in left this kind of water. And the rain not come for that long at all. It not come for that long. So this authority is concerned. This not for drawing our attention. Say much more need for be do, right? Much more. We get plenty more for do. For near Sierra Leoneans, then go be safe because we all know say August, the month where they come and they count plenty rains. Now we take and go down. Now we take and go down and see. Now we take and go down and go access the other streets and see. Yeah, all seas of the sea. Yeah, na Henry Street. We don't come out down that street. Now we dey Henry Street. And we just want you get a clear view. Up beside the suicide cars that they pass up Sayanda. Now down that street. And see how the gutter, how plenty dirty they inside the gutter. Where that's because if the rain come heavily, the place go flood. As I say, we dey end the streets, we dey cross go down, we dey cross go down to the next street as today. Sarah Network Salon decide for car with you. Now the Samba gutter. Now we observe as today the 1st of August. The rains just come for something like an hour and left plenty water. She said they see the Samba gutter. Oh, they work small. They go. They see the dirty them. Where they? They see? You see the dirty empty? Well, now this can make whenever the rains come heavy one. Now this can make the place all the flood. Now this can make water can flow up in the streets. So we decide for camp today. As the rain don't cease now, we decide for camp. Now the streets, we're not the western part of Freetown. We start this work at PWD, start inside works compound and follow the Samba gutter. We don't come down that street, we don't pass any street. We don't make way. We don't make way to the other side. As you see, we still observe. You see? We still in at the Samba gutter. Eh? Still there, they show you after the rain just don't end, you still lay alive, and they take you through the Samba gutter. From there we tell authorities we concern say they need for pay attention for come and clean the gutter there before ever we will get another rains we will come heavily, we will lead to flooding. They call them, we they call their attention. So they take and go down. Just want for the viewers see how the Samba gutter look like presently. And this rain not come that kind much, just come small. We all inside. Susef the sea, susai the water, mark me stop. Just now, when the rains may come, susai the water mark stop. So that it tell you say the gutters they need for be clean, so like the water where they come out up the hills go able pass through freely. And if you see the gutter they flop, automatically the water they come up na the streets. And that's the cause flooding. See no more. So it's at the top. See the streets. See? Now this the rain left. Rain way no come more than 1 hour. Now this is left. So this is a call. This is a call for the authorities that we concerned. Let them go their attention. Now the Samba gutter. Let they really do their attention for them to see. The gutter there need for be clean. Should you see the streets? You know, say we, Sierra Network now, wait till they see, now we they talk. So this is a quick call. A quick call for the attention be done. And the Samba gutter them. We will continue for go down small. We will continue for go down small a bit. You see up outside the see so all and all, you see the dirty the way left that they show you say the water may be on top all inside and the water overflow reach all up here. You see? So this there This now a call to authorities we concerned. This year, by the grace of God, but who self gets for play with your own parts. We don't want to see that kind of flooding wey can happen inside the city. So then gutters there need for be clean. The gutters there really need for be clean. We dey go down. We not go tire. We go do we work where we know we say na then work then they would do. Sierra Network, we not go tire at all. We will continue. As you see every day see, yourself again, you're na Charles Street. You dey see say all year. The water already come up from the Samba gutter. We there. See? This na boxing. Na boxing primary school, the church. See? See? Yes, sir. You see? All inside. As outside, the water, the reach. Today the waka come na Samba gutter. Today the 1st of August. Just after a rain will not reach an hour. And so the streets of Freetown turn. As you see no more. See where people in the it's now Westbrook, Upper Westbrook Street. See? Where that gentleman there, they clean. You see? See? Would they go down? Then gutters there really need forget clean up. We want to say plenty thank you to Yabu for the support. We say plenty thank you for the stars where you send. We really appreciate. So see all inside as the rain come. This now a building where them build on top of the Samba gutter. This building. Build on top of the Samba gutter. see? This na cool. Thank God. Wendy. This na cool. As I say, if you watch far, you see the dirty then really inside the gutter. If you just come on board, this worker will start up. Start this worker up, PWD. I will start this worker. And we don't take the samba gutter from up that side. We just don't pass up at Eastbrook Street. And when they partake and they go small. This one just draw the attention of authorities the way concerned. And let them know say the need for put things in place for make sure say the rains not disturb this year at all. Well, we don't come. We see the end. We don't come. Right down. Good morning. We don't see how the samba gutter talek. As I say, the name Asil Akem Takabu. And see our network salon. Now the side way, if you want to see plenty things they happen inside the country salon, just can see our network salon. We only the talk, waiting with the see, and we not go tell you waiting with camera no see. I want to say plenty thank you. So we start this worker together. I want to say plenty thank you to you. We take your time for worker this worker with me. As we don't start this worker at PWD inside works compound, we don't take come all the way down for reach Sanders Street. We already don't reach Sanders Street. As you see, also the gutter they don't tell it. So authorities then way concerned need for come on board and need for come on board for make sure say they put hands together. Whenever we get the samba gutter clean up, and we almost say August, now a month way, not get small rain at all. Today now the first day normal inside the month, and it just come small. It never reach 1 hour. As you see, all those who don't pass, suicide some man, they bail water in shop, some man they clean in veranda. That's the show say dirty beaucoup na the country and dirty plenty na the drainage, the gutter outside water for pass free one, but dirty not they give the water chance again at all. We will come time to time for see how things really they go, for see how things talek, and for see waiting the happen, and as how the rains they come, we will they come for make sure say we bring na your doorstep different happenings then. For now you see waiting they happen inside we country Mama Salon. As I say, now here we go stop the waka as we don't already reach a road where we will lead we to Sanders Street. But we will stop the waka here as we don't show you plenty side there. We don't take you through the Samba gutter. We don't draw the attention for who that concern. Then you know say Samba gutter need attention for who that concern. Then you know say the city drainage them need attention. And for other concern, for now you know say if we not pay attention at the Samba gutter, we not pay attention at the different drainage them within at the city. August na month we not get rain, we funny. So we all we concern for make sure say we do the needful. For make sure say we do something we go put life and property to safety. Sorry, sir. Good morning, sir. Well, as I say, now here this work will come to an end. The Samba gutter, now here we work will stop. Because we only don't come to the point where if authorities them were concerned, no pay attention, who go carry back? Who get for the camp? Who get for the camp? Rain the camp, rain court, who get for the camp? For draw their attention. For now, we all see, and then we all do the right thing for make sure say we all safe and everybody living life safely. As you see down to the other end, that's at the end of the Samba gutter. You cross to meet Sanders Street. So now, me you see like Takabo. As you don't start with me this worker, I want for say plenty thinking. And so you will support with the stars, yeah, boo. One for say plenty thank you. Because then support here the lead Sierra network. To place this, they make they go different side for make sure say we will give you the very best of broadcasting, like doorstep, where you self will be satisfied with. And also, if you self want the support Sierra network, go to the comment section and click the star. Then you self go able to support Sierra network for the good work with Sierra network they do. When you click the star and you follow the instructions where they you be able to support Sierra network. As when we start the worker, the only side where it puts me off, the only side where I not really like, now where them can reach for say Tata. Now that time day, in we not elect at all. But in any kind of way, any worker will get beginning, it must get ending. It must get outside the end. And now yeah, we will end today your waka. And before I end, I still want to draw the attention to authorities the way concerned. Say more need for be done at the drainage them, Sambagota, need for be clean. Attention. Now zoom am you see. See, the gutter self not there in good order again. So attention needed. Authorities were concerned need to pay more attention to the drainage them inside the city so that this year Salone not go get that flooding way we can normally get. So that this year we all go stay safe when rain they come. We not go here message them we not kill one for here but to country. Now that make today this morning Sierra Network Salone don't waka. Now the Sambagota from up to finish don't waka for draw the attention of authorities concerned for let them know say more work need for be done at the Sambagota and also other drainage them na the country. Until then, now I go say tata, but not go far because today only. As any time from now, we go come on back. Not go far. Stay safe, stay glued to Sierra Network Salone and start Tuesday with blessings, joy and happiness. For me your end, as I go say tata till we meet again pretty soon.